rain already in Northern Ireland. That's going to be pushing eastwards through central parts of the UK through the course of today. On either side of that, something drier and brighter. But I'll have all the details at 27 minutes past. Good morning, everyone. You're quite right, Dan, on all counts. What a gorgeous sunrise. This was sent in from one of our weather watchers, and it's Skipton in North Yorkshire. Another one to show you as well. This one is in Ealing, Elstree, I should say. Again, beautiful, lovely sunrise, and there's lots of them. If you've got any beautiful pictures you want to send weather watchers, please do. We love seeing them. Now, today's forecast is a wet one for some of us. It's already raining in Northern Ireland, and generally speaking, compared to the last few days, we've got an area of low pressure coming in from the Atlantic, already producing a fair bit of rain in Northern Ireland. But if we follow this cloud all the way back into the Atlantic, it's various weather fronts, and they're all coming our way. So it's going to remain unsettled, particularly across England and Wales for the next few days. There's even an old tropical storm in humid conditions, but nothing too sinister as well. Now, as we head through this morning, the rain already in Northern Ireland continues to push eastwards. So after a dry and a relatively bright start with those beautiful sunrises, you can see where the rain is heading across parts of Northern England, parts of Wales and the Midlands, getting in towards Norfolk. South of that, in southern England, there's a fair bit of cloud, but the further you travel south, so the English Channel coastline, the Channel Islands, the more likely you are to see some longer spells of sunshine. And north of this rain, in Scotland, we've got a weather front, a weak one, sinking south, bringing its rain with it, but that turning more showery as it does so. In between, there will be some sunshine, but cool, 11 to about 16 in the north, and as we come further south, 16 to 20, maybe 21 in any sunshine around the southeast. Through this evening and overnight, if anything, that weather front sinks a bit further south, taking its cloud and its rain with it. Behind it, there'll be some clear skies. There will still be one or two showers, but under the clear skies, of course, the temperatures will be lower. So a cooler night in the north and humid for some of us, actually, in the south, with overnight lows in London, 15 degrees. Now, tomorrow we start off with all this cloud and rain in southern areas. There'll be pulses of heavier rain as it rattles through, and then we'll see it wax and wane through the course of the day. And behind that, as we push further north, we're looking at brighter skies, and this takes us all the way into Thursday as well. 14 degrees in Aberdeen to 20 degrees once again as we push down towards the south. For Friday, we'll have the dregs of the weather front, so producing some showers in some eastern areas. But for most of us, it's going to be a drier and a brighter day. There'll be more sunshine, just a few showers, as high pressure, or a ridge off at least, starts to build in with highs of 20. In Salandan, if you're wondering, the weekend, certainly the first half of the weekend for most of us, is looking dry. But on Sunday, we might have an area of low pressure coming into the northwest, bringing some rain to Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. Well, for Lincolnshire today, it's a dry start, but we do have some rain coming your way. And this morning, there's some beautiful sunrises. Look at this Weather Watchers picture from Wigan. But for most, well, it's going to be wet. We've got a band of rain coming in from the west, moving across central areas. On either side of it, something drier, but the common denominator is lighter winds compared to what we've seen over the last few days. Now, a weather front moving south across Scotland, producing some showers at the moment, but this is an area of low pressure with its fronts bringing rain to Northern Ireland and also Western Scotland, and it's this that will be drifting eastwards through the course of the day. You can see it quite nicely here on the pressure chart, but look at the weather fronts draped around this area of low pressure. They go all the way back into the Atlantic. So for England and for Wales, parts off over the next few days, we will see a bit more cloud and some rain. Today, though, here comes the rain moving from Northern Ireland in through parts of England and Wales. A weather front having sunk southwards, turning more on the coastline. Also into the Channel Islands, we will see some sunshine. Temperatures, disappointing for this stage in July, only 11 in Lerwick to 20, possibly 21 in any sunshine as we push down towards the southeast. Now, through this evening and overnight, our band of cloud and rain sinks that little bit further. To the north of that, for Northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, there will be areas of cloud, but there'll also be some clear skies. So here, it's going to be a cooler night than further south, where for some, it will feel quite humid. Tomorrow then, we start off with all this cloud and some pulses of rain on and off through the course of the day. Some of those could well be heavy. To the north,